Today we are discuss GATE 2020 PYQs. So it is a very important question, almost all repeated question. So I will use tricks how to identify this, detailed explain this question. See, in this question, among the following, total number of aromatic species is, how many aromatic numbers are present in this case? We discuss one by one. First of all, we are taking first molecule. This molecule having 2 pi bonds, 1 lone pair. Yes, this oxygen having actually 2 lone pairs. Yes, this lone pair is participate in pi bond formation. Yes, how to we are identify the Huckel's rules? This is following Huckel's rule or not? First of all, we are taking it's following cyclic and sp2 hybridization, conjugation and 4n plus 2 4n pi electron rules. Yes, in case these rules are following, it is a aromatic compound. Does not follow, it's follow 4n plus 2 rule is following aromatic. 4n pi electron rule is following anti-aromatic. It is aromatic. Now let us see the molecule. In this case 1 2 3, it has plus carbon having sp3 hybridization. Yes, in this case it's having 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6 pi electrons. In this case these two are 2 pi bonds electrons. Yes, it is a lone pair of electrons, but these carbons having sp2 hybridization, in this carbon having sp3 hybridization, so it is a non-aromatic compound. Okay, it is a non-aromatic compound. In case this carbon also sp2 carbon, it is following aromatic. Okay, it is following Huckel's rules, so that is a aromatic compound, but it does not follow the sp2 Huckel's rules. sp2, this is not a sp2 carbon, it is a sp3 carbon, so it is, this compound is a non-aromatic compound. It does not follow the 4n rule, does not, it's following 4n plus 2, but it does not follow the sp2 hybridization, it's following sp3 hybridization, so it is a non-aromatic compound. Next, see, this compound, it is following the Huckel's rule. Say yes or no? Yes, because it is a cyclic and sp2 conjugation and 4n plus 2 rule. Okay na? These rules are following. Cyclic, it is a cyclic compound, all carbons having sp2 hybridization. Yes, next conjugation also possible, 4n plus 2 compound having proper conjugation, so it is a aromatic compound. In this case we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6 pi electrons. Only these three are 3 pi bond electrons only. Okay now, 3 pi bonds. Okay, 3 pi bonds are participate in conjugation. This case and this case, these two lone pair of electrons does not follow the pi bond formation. Yes, so it is a aromatic compound, not a non-aromatic or anti-aromatic. It is a aromatic compound. Yes. Now next one, this compound, it is a, write down, cyclic. It's following Huckel's rules: cyclic, sp2 hybridization, conjugation, and 4n plus 2 pi electron system, 4n system. Okay. This case we are taking aromatic or non-aromatic, it's having 2 plus 2, 2 pi bond. Okay na? It is going to, how many electrons we have? Total 4 electrons are present. Yes, total 4 electrons are present. In this case, this carbon having positive charge, so all carbons are sp2 hybridization. Yes, it is following cyclic sp2 hybridization, and this is not following 4n plus 2 configuration, conjugation also, but it does not follow the 4n plus 2 configuration. This molecule following 4n pi electron system. Okay, so total electrons, how many there? 4 electron. So it is following 4n pi electron system. So it is a anti-aromatic compound. Yes, anti-aromatic compound. Next, this molecule we are taking conjugation. All carbons having sp2 hybridization. Conjugation also possible. How many pi electrons is there? 2 pi bonding electrons, 2 pi bonds. Next, to total electrons, how many? 4 electrons. So it is also anti-aromatic compound. Yes, 4n pi system it is following. Next, this molecule we are applying Huckel's rule. All carbons having which hybridization? All carbons having sp2 hybridization. And how many electrons are there? Here having 1 pi bond is present. Total electrons 2. 2 pi electrons are present. So it is following Huckel's rules, 4n plus 2 rule. It is a cyclic compound, sp2 hybridization, proper conjugation, and 4n plus 2 rule it is following. 4n plus 2 pi electron system it is following. So it is a aromatic compound. Yes. Next one, this molecule we are taking, in this case we are taking all carbons having sp2 hybridization and cyclic compound. This nitrogen having lone pairs. These lone pairs also participate in pi bond formation. These lone pairs, so pi bond formation is participating, so it's having proper conjugation. So it is a, it's how many electrons is present? 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 pi electrons are present. In this case 2 plus 2 4. These 4 electrons are pi bonding electrons. We have 2 pi bonding electrons. One lone pair is present. Yes, one lone pair is present. Total how many electrons? 6 electrons are present. So it is following 4n plus 2 rule. Yes, 4n plus 2 rule it is following. So it is a aromatic compound. Yes, 4n plus 2 rule, it is said just n is equals to 1. Yes, it's having 1. Next we are applying n into 1 plus 2 is equals to 6. We are taking n is equal to 1. What? In this case, this molecule delocalization of the electrons. Okay, this delocalization of electrons is equals to 1. Total whole ring, we are taking whole ring, any one also. So in this case it is following Huckel's rules, 4n plus 2 rule, it is following. So it is a aromatic compound. Next we are taking this molecule. Total we are counting 1 2 3 4. How many electrons total? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8 electrons we are considering. So it is a aromatic or non-aromatic, anti-aromatic. We are discussing the already anti-aromatic. It is a anti-aromatic. Why? Because it is following 4n pi electron system. Why? It's all carbon atoms having sp2 hybridization. Yes, sp2 hybridization. Conjugation also, these electrons also possible. In this case conjugation also possible. Next it's following 4n pi electron system, does not follow the 4n plus 2 system. Yes, total electrons how many? N is equals to 0 2 6 10 etc. This is 4n plus 2 system. Okay, 4n plus 2 system. In case n is equals to 4 8 12 etc etc, it is a 4n pi electron system. Total electrons. This is a most important molecule, always repeated molecule. See, listen to carefully. First of all, we are considering cyclic molecule or not. So listen to carefully. It is a cyclic molecule. In this case we draw this cyclic or not. Yes, this one also. Yes, all carbon atoms having sp2. Yes, all carbon atom having sp2 hybridization and cyclic molecule. How many pi bonds are present? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 pi bonds are present. Total 6 pi bonds are present. Next to lone pairs, how many? 1. No lone pairs, it's having 1 negative charge. Yes, total how many? 6 to the 12 plus 2 electrons, total 14 electrons are present. Like this. In this case, one of the here, how many is this there? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 2 plus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Same as well as in this case also counting. So we considering it is following 4n plus 2 rule. So it is also aromatic compound. Yes, it is also aromatic. It is also aromatic compound. Total number of aromatic species, how many? 4. 4. See once again, this is a non-aromatic compound. Why? Because it's having sp3 hybridization carbon. Next, it is having proper conjugation, so it is a aromatic configuration, aromatic compound. Next, it's having sp2. Total carbons are sp2 carbons, but it's following 4n pi electron system, so it is a anti-aromatic compound. It is also anti-aromatic compounds. Why? Because it is also following 4n pi electron system, already we discussed. Next, it is a aromatic compound. Why? Because 2 pi electrons are present, so it is following Huckel's 4n plus 2 rule. It is aromatic. It is also aromatic compounds. Why? Because it total how many electrons? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 to the 14 electrons are present, so it is a aromatic compound. It is having proper conjugation, so it is also aromatic compound. It does not follow the Huckel's rule. It is also anti-aromatic compound. Total how many we are counting? 1 2 3 4. Yes, total number of aromatic species are 4. Thank you for watching.